Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing 4 healthy, refreshing summer drinks recipes to help you beat the summer heat. So let's get started with the recipes. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon basil seeds. Basil seeds are also known as sabja seeds. Add in about half to 3/4 cup water and allow the sabja seeds to swell up. It should get swelled up in about 5 to 10 minutes. And after about 5 minutes, you can see the sabja seeds has swelled up really well, and I'm going to keep this aside. This is an ideal summer coolant, hence I always try to keep some swelled up sabja seeds stored in the refrigerator. To make Nimbu Sherbat, into a serving glass, I'm squeezing in half of a lemon. Into it, I'm grating in some ginger. Use a very fine grater to grate the ginger. So this is finely grated ginger. 1 teaspoon cane sugar or as needed. 1 fat pinch of kala namak, also known as black salt. 3 to 4 fresh mint leaves. And with a muddler or with the back of a wooden spoon, I'm lightly crushing the mint leaves. Add in 2 tablespoons soaked sabja seeds. Add in chilled water. I have soaked 2 strands of saffron in little water. I'm adding that also into it. Give it a good stir. And my super healthy Nimbu Sherbat is ready to serve. To make grapes Sherbat, I'm using about 6 to 7 black grapes. This is seedless black grapes, and it's about a handful of seedless black grapes. I'm adding the grapes into a serving glass. Add in 1 teaspoon cane sugar or as needed. A fat pinch of kala namak, also known as black salt. Squeeze in half a lemon. Add in some fresh mint leaves. This is about 4 to 5 mint leaves. With a muddler or with the back of a wooden spoon, lightly crush the grapes and the mint leaves. Add in 2 tablespoons soaked basil seeds. Add in some ice cubes and pour in chilled water. Give it a good stir. And my super healthy grapes Sherbat is ready to serve. To make Kokum Sherbat, I am using dried kokum. I'm taking about 4 to 5 pieces of dried kokum and adding it into a bowl. Into this, I'm adding in half cup hot water. I'm allowing the kokum to soak in the hot water. If you're soaking the kokum overnight in water, you can avoid soaking it in hot water. Kokum is also known as Garcinia indica. It is rich in antioxidants, it is low in calorie and rich in fiber. Kokum contains a compound called HCA, which acts as an appetite suppressant. It's a natural coolant for the body. It is a powerhouse of rich nutrients. It's packed with many essential vitamins. Kokum helps to reduce acidity and helps to maintain good digestive health. Once it has cooled down slightly, I'm just giving it a good mix with my hand like this. Since it has been soaked in hot water, the kokum will get easily mashed. Strain the soaked kokum into a cup and then again add some water into the strained kokum pulp and again strain it to the cup. Press down to extract the maximum juice. And now I have half cup of kokum juice. This way you can extract the maximum juice out of the soaked kokum rinse. Into this I'm squeezing in half a lemon. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. 1/4 teaspoon black salt, also known as kala namak. 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Give this a good mix. You can check salt at this stage. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in pink Himalayan salt as per your taste. Pour the prepared kokum juice into a serving glass. Fill the rest of the glass with ice cold water. I'm adding in 1 to 2 tablespoons of the soaked sabja seeds. Give it a good mix. Garnish it with a sprig of mint leaves. And my super healthy Kokum Sherbat is ready to serve. To make orange Sherbat, I have already sliced 2 oranges into half. I'm squeezing the oranges into a cup. Strain the orange juice into a serving glass. Squeeze in half a lemon. Grate in a little bit of ginger. Use a very fine grater to grate the ginger. Add the grated ginger into the glass. A fat pinch of kala namak. 1 teaspoon or as needed cane sugar. 2 tablespoons soaked basil seeds. Some ice cubes. Pour in chilled water. Give it a good stir. And lastly, I'm garnishing it with some fresh mint leaves. I'm just stirring the mint leaves and sprinkling on top. And my super healthy orange Sherbat is ready to serve. So guys, do try these healthy, refreshing drinks and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.